We have a little issue here. So what we
That's
will
it.
do is, I'm just saying, there's a lot of ways to make money nowadays. And one way is if you scan this barcode. But if I put the mic right inside the exhaust tip, so here we go. So the way you see me wearing different outfits every clip, you would think this is a fashion show channel, but it's not. It's cars, trust me. So just don't mind it, okay? The last video was to start this car, and it was successful. I know it was a little bit frustrating. We couldn't start it first clip, neither the second, neither the third, but we got it started. We have a little issue here. It is leaking from coolant hose right here, which I have to fix later on in this video. Installation, baby. So here's the thing. For these lower grills, can you see it? The lower grills right here? Yeah, I have to show you the price right now, how much each one costs, and it's not fun. I'm just gonna do my own. Just do the. I'm gonna go to Home Depot and buy the mesh. Called mesh, right?
Mesh. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Mesh.
yeah. It's called mesh.
It's not mesh. It's mesh.
Anyways,
Yo. All right. I'll buy the mesh, and I'm gonna cut it out so we can, you know, fit it on the bumper. Anyways, come on. Let me show you how much it costs. The mesh. It's the mesh. Come on. Let me show you. Oh, who's that? So we zoom in. Oh wow, that's a nice YouTuber. Oh my God. Wow. I will subscribe if I were you. All right, come on. Let me show you. So I already searched it up actually, just so we can save time. And look at this price, man. 480, almost 500, just for one, and it's used. It says new, but before I clicked on it, it says used. So 500 for one side, and it's just mesh. Could you imagine if I go
I couldn't.
to Home Depot? If I go to Home Depot right now and get mesh and cut it out like that, I can start selling for $500 each. I'm just saying, there's a lot of ways to make money nowadays. And one way is if you scan this barcode, I will hopefully one day make money on YouTube. You can support me and my cars.
Ka-chow.
Ciao. All right. So let's get this car going. And yeah. All right. So about this Fender, if when I ever I set it, it's either too high on here, or too short from here, or it's just it's messed up.
Oh,
Look how perfect this is. Come on.
okay. Okay.
It was right next to the wheel. Now, let's put some screws in. Look at it from this side. Fixing and installing a Fender in less than 3 seconds. I mean, come on. What do you call that? I
I
mean,
mean,
come look
maybe
at
towards
this.
the back.
Look right here.
Oh,
Not too close, sorry. Not too
all
close.
right.
But look how nicely it is.
Yeah, that's good.
Perfect fitment.
Not too bad.
right?
And it lines up
I'm telling you, man.
majority of them, so that's fine.
All right, so let me just put it all together. I mean, the fender, and then we'll start putting the headlights on, and yeah, the front end. This is how it would look after I, put everything together. But I'm actually not gonna do that myself. I'm gonna take it right now a to the body shop. Not that far. So I wanted to also mention that this headlight, by the way, it does not have the brackets whatsoever. It's, let me see how many brackets is missing. Okay, so right here, bring it close. One broken. Um,
Two? No?
no,
No?
two right here.
No.
No, maybe I think one right here. Um, Another one is somewhere. Anyways, all the brackets,
That is sweet.
all the brackets are messed up. So what we
That's
will
it.
do is, no, I'm just kidding. We will take it to the body shop. He's gonna, hopefully he knows how to put some brackets on it. If not, then we're screwed. I'll probably put another link in the description for donations. Anyways, let me start it up again. The last time I started it up, I had the mic inside the car. It sounded all right, but if I put the mic right inside the exhaust tip, it's gonna sound fire. So here we go, guys. Sounds a lot better when the mic is right there, right? Now let's take it out and get everything to the body shop. He's gonna supposedly fix this, make it look brand new, because I am not paying for another fender. Just the grill was over 500, so I'm not gonna do that shit. Anyways,